Hey, we're starting our journey into Burgundy, finally. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara. We're here to help you know more and drink better. And we're starting to get into Burgundy this year. It wasn't quite one of my goals. One of my goals was to do more Bordeaux content, but I think Burgundy is something we're going to also do some diving in. And Burgundy, right? Red Burgundy is always made from Pinot Noir, and white Burgundy wines are always made from Chardonnay. So in this case, we're going to be tasting a Pinot Noir, a Red Burgundy, from a producer that I was fortunate enough to have to go to a tasting at Gordon's Wine with actually the proprietor, and taste through a range of wines. And I bought I think this is the only bottle I bought because they were pretty outrageous, a lot of them, but all the wines were outrageously delicious, right? So I'm glad to be tasting this one today, and it's from the David Duband. That's the winery, and this is a Bourgogne from 2016 from the Hautes Cotes de Nuits. So the Cotes de Nuits is an area in Burgundy, and the Hautes Cotes de Nuits is like a mountain, right? Or it's the highest part of the Cotes de Nuits, hence Haute. So I think I don't drink enough. I don't drink that much Burgundy. A lot of it is because I'm kind of priced out of it. But when you get a really good Burgundy, and if you love Pinot Noir and you get a really good Burgundy, you're in heaven, right? So this, oh my Lord, this wine will stop you in your tracks. Holy pasta fagioli. It's just like it's like, my God, cherry, spice, potpourri, flowers, Twizzlers. Unreal. I don't know if I can drink this. I literally don't know if I can drink this because I'm going to just sit here and smell it all day. But this is a lot of this is what you get when we're going to put this aside. We ain't spitting this out. When you have a really good Burgundy, just the aromas are amazing. They're amazing. There's loads of complexity, and I'm not sure about the 2016 vintage. I'll put in some notes just in case you want some more info on it. But I mean, this wine is gorgeous. And I think anytime you see David Duband, if you're fortunate enough to see it, whether it's on a wine list and it's priced well, or if you see it in a store, you can buy these wines on the blind. You'll be thrilled. You'll be thrilled that you did. My God, I'm going to taste this. I don't know, man. That's just freaking amazing. Wow. We're starting 2021 off with a bang when it comes to our Burgundy adventure. Almost knocked me off of the chair. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would take a moment, mean a lot to me if everybody who was watching this video actually subscribed to the channel. Again, hit that like button, drop a comment. If you'd like to see some additional content, right? Some different wines, different topics to cover around how you can know more and drink better. And until next time, I'll see you, folks.